Hi, I'm Kate Miller and welcome to Property Focus. Making headlines this week, renovation gains popularity with investors and properties listed for auction fail to entice buyers. But first to our lead story. Australian house prices face a correction, a key industry figure has claimed, not because they're overpriced, but because current affordability constraints are impacting existing and potential buyers. Speaking to Property Focus, Yellow Brick Road chairman Mark Bouris said excessive interest rate rises and the spiralling cost of living were reducing the pool of willing property buyers, stifling demand for property, which underpins prices.
If you went back during the GFC period, we had this debate and everyone took the view that house prices were not overvalued because there were plenty of willing buyers because interest rates were at an affordable level. And as a result of that, house prices stood up, in fact increased. Right now, the willing buyers are saying, well, it's not as affordable as it was before. And maybe there's 2 more rate rises to come. And if the Reserve Bank keeps alluding to this all the time, you're going to get this withdrawal of willing buyers.
The latest data from Australian property monitors has revealed that barely half of all properties listed for auction in Sydney and Melbourne are changing hands. Just 53.1% of properties listed for auction in Sydney were sold over the weekend of the 18th of June, while a meagre 51.9% of properties made it under the hammer in Melbourne. The results reflect a stark change from market conditions of last year, where both cities achieved a clearance rate of around 60% for the same weekend in 2010. Affordability constraints and flat market conditions are pushing property buyers towards properties with renovation potential, Robert Ward of LJ Hooker Wurrunga in Sydney's north has claimed.
I think the people who are buying the properties to renovate are, having troubles finding what they want to buy. And that's probably because a lot of people are looking for things that are already all finished and done, but they're very popular, and the pricing of those tends to be paid at a premium. And so to find what you want in your price bracket is a difficult thing. So people tend to go for the renovators and do it exactly how they like.
Mr. Ward said renovation represented a compelling investment strategy in the current market.
The houses are the most affordable they've been in 10 years, and it's a good opportunity to get in. And I think if you can get something which you can capitally improve, it's the way of actually making money in a market like this. The days of buying a property, just sitting on it and waiting that 3 years later it's gone up, probably aren't there at the moment. So what we're seeing, the ones that have actually increased in value have had some improvements made.
And if you want to find out more about how you can use renovation to accelerate your wealth, check out the new look July issue of Smart Property Investment magazine, hitting newsstands next week. In our biggest issue ever, we show you why renovation is such a powerful strategy in a flat market. And renovation queen Cherie Barber reveals how she made $1 million in just 1 year using renovation. And that's it for Property Focus for this week. I'm Kate Miller. See you soon.